Lucerne is a beautiful resort town located in central Switzerland. It is known for its stunning natural scenery, charming old town, and wide range of cultural attractions. One of the highlights of Lucerne is Lake Lucerne, which is surrounded by majestic mountains and offers breathtaking views. Visitors can take a boat ride on the lake or hike in the nearby mountains to enjoy the stunning natural scenery. The old town of Lucerne is also a must-see destination. It features historic architecture, quaint streets, and a variety of shops and restaurants. The famous Chapel Bridge, a covered wooden bridge built in the 14th century, is one of the most iconic landmarks of the town. For culture enthusiasts, Lucerne has a number of museums and galleries, including the Richard Wagner Museum and the Picasso Museum. The town also hosts several music festivals throughout the year, including the Lucerne Festival, which is one of the world's leading classical music festivals. In addition, Lucerne is a great base for exploring the surrounding region. Visitors can take day trips to nearby destinations such as Mount Pilatus or Mount Rigi, where they can enjoy stunning panoramic views of the Swiss Alps. Overall, Lucerne is a picturesque and charming resort town that offers a perfect combination of natural beauty, cultural attractions, and outdoor activities. It is a great destination for anyone looking to experience the best of Switzerland.